everyone, this is Meredith from Eat Stretch Explore. Today I'm going to be unboxing a new box for me, and this is the Allure beauty box, and I think this is September 2020. So the reason why I signed up is because they did increase the price, and the monthly price is now $23 and the annual price is $250 for the entire year. You pay it all up front, and that will break down to about $20.83 per box. Starting with the October 2020 box, the value of the item should be at least $100, and there should be at least 6 items, and at least 3 of those 6 items will be full size. So the reason why I decided to go with the Allure box is because I had trust in the Allure magazine brand. The Allure brand has been well known for like decades to provide information about skincare and beauty. So I feel like their editors have a lot more experience reviewing products, and they're better equipped to curate boxes based on high quality ingredients. So as a risk averse person, the other great thing about the Allure box is that they do release everything that's in the box before it comes out. So right now I even know from looking online, I've already released at least one spoiler for the November box, so I can already start making a value determination decision for myself. So I do know that it is easy to skip boxes because I chatted with a customer service representative when I made my purchase. So even though I did an annual purchase, I may actually be able to push it out to 1.5 years or maybe 2 years worth of boxes, just because I might skip here and there. So with everything being said, this is it, and I took it out of the plastic wrap just because it was kind of hard to film. So the box itself is pretty substantial, I would say. So you open it up, and the first thing you see is the brochure covered with some little tissue paper. So these are the items that I received, and so the first item is actually the reason I decided to continue receiving the box in September rather than skipping, and that's because I really do like the LMS Pro Collagen Cleansing Balm. I received this in the past to review for my blog, and I really like the product. I've been using a cleansing balm probably since 2010, I'd say. This product is kind of expensive. It's $64 for the full size. So again, this is not full size. It's 20 grams and 0.7 US ounces. I liked it so much in the past that I actually researched how to buy this, and the small travel size is like $14. So I ended up not purchasing it because well, I mean, everything happened, so there was no point in buying a travel size item because I wasn't going to be traveling anytime soon. So I'm very happy to have it in my current life because I'm actually almost out of my cleansing oil, and I do use a double cleanse method. You can simply rinse with several splashes of water, but I prefer to wipe everything off with a damp, warm washcloth. Not only does it whisk away grime, the balm also moisturizes with 9 essential oils. So yeah, that's pretty on par with what I've experienced in the past using it. It's a pretty good cleansing balm. If you are not interested in purchasing the full price because it is kind of expensive, so I totally understand it, the Banila Co. Clean It Zero, I think it comes like in a pink tub, and you can purchase it at Ulta or online at various retailers. That one is also a great product to use. So I'm going to go into my box and find the next item. So this is the Unlatched Volume and Curl Mascara by Wander Beauty. So again, this is a product that has won the Best of Beauty stamp and award from Allure. So this looks like it's a full-size product, and it retails for $24 according to the magazine here. The assistant editor, Kathleen Suiko, says, I first tried this mascara in 2017, the year it won an Allure Best of Beauty award, and I still hoard every tube I can get my hands on. When I reach for mascara, I want drama. I look for a formula that darkens, thickens, lengthens, and holds a curl all day. Unlatched does all that without clumping or flaking, even when I go to town by layering it 5 or 6 times. The slightly hooked wand has staggered bristles, some shorter than others, that grab every lash. The unique shape also makes coating inner and outer lashes a breeze. So honestly, I'm very excited to try this out. If it leads up to what this assistant editor has said, this might be my go-to mascara. I'm trying one right now that was sent to me for review, and it's not great, to be completely honest. It does look like it was made in Korea. Let me pull it out to take a look at that unique wand. I'm not a beauty guru. It is slightly hooked. And I do see the staggered bristles. I don't know if you can see that. The next item in the book is actually a brush. So let me pull out my brush. So this is what I received. Okay, so I pulled it out of the packaging, and it looks like I received the NYX Pro Contour brush. So it looks like there was a choice between the e.l.f. highlighting brush and the NYX Pro Contour brush, and they both won the Best of Beauty award. So actually I was kind of expecting that I was going to receive the e.l.f. highlighting brush, because I read online, I think it was like on Reddit, where people were saying that the new members were going to receive that e.l.f. brush, but I'm quite happy to receive the NYX brush. I do think I have the e.l.f. brush already, because I think I bought a kit that had all of the brushes, and it's fine, but it's not like the best quality. So it looks like this product has a $14 value. So already with this brush, I've already paid for my entire box, which is quite good, because I'm quite already happy with the Elements and the Wander Beauty mascara. So this is just like icing on the cake. So it says this little guy looks like an unassuming blush brush, but it's actually the ideal shape for sculpting. The chiseled taper sides help you deposit color along your cheekbones, the side of your nose, and temples, while the flat top gives you enough surface area to buff and blend out the pigment. Even though the brand calls it a contour brush, it's a great tool for applying powder to targeted areas under the lip, along the sides of the nose, under the eyes, and it can also be used to apply blush to cheeks. It does feel very nice. Like it's I mean, I don't know anything about makeup brushes, but compared to the e.l.f. set that I bought, I think I bought it on clearance at Target, to be completely honest. This one is weighted at the end, so I think that just feels like a higher quality brush, but I mean, I don't know anything. That's all conjecture. So moving right along, the next item is the Clio Noir Twist Up Eyeliner in purple. So you can see this here. So to be completely honest, I don't think I have a use for this in my life, but when I was making the decision to purchase an annual subscription, I already knew that this was going to be in the box. I called my sister because she's actually the complete opposite from me, so I kind of wanted to see if maybe she would have a use for this particular item, and she's very excited to try it out, so it's not going to go to waste, that's for sure. I'm not going to swatch it or anything because I think it's kind of gross, and I'm also going to give it to my sister, so I don't want to get my hands all over it. So it does look like it's a full size, but I'm not completely sure because I only use liquid eyeliner. This Clio Noir's purple liner has a buttery smooth formula and a beautiful violet tone. It's something you notice on second look. Plus it's got some sparkle, which is perfect for a smoky night look. You can also wear it during the day. For me, glitter is a neutral. So I work in a somewhat conservative office, so I'm not entirely sure sparkle would be a neutral in my particular office, but I'm sure my sister will enjoy playing with this. And it says the price is $18. Let me see if I can pull it open, see if I can do this beauty guru thing. So it looks pretty nice. I mean, it's a little bit darker than I thought it would be. I was kind of imagining it to be a more vibrant hue, so I'm not sure if it will appear purple. I think I was kind of expecting it to be like a violet, more of a violet, because of the color here at the end, but it kind of looks like it might be a little bit darker. Okay, the next item is a sample. So I've actually received a sample of this in the past. So again, what I said was one of the great bonuses for me is that I am able to see drugstore and higher end items. So I received a sample of this in the past from like a beauty bag at CVS, I think. I just stopped in to buy something, and then they just handed me this bag of a ton of products. So this is the La Roche-Posay Anthelios 50 Ultra Light Sunscreen Fluid. So I've tried it in the past and it's quite nice. So I'm happy to have this, but I kind of wish it wasn't just a sample size because it is kind of small, and I feel like sample sizes end up creating a lot of waste. But I am happy to have a sample size because I usually just throw it into my purse to just reapply throughout the day when I'm away from my apartment. Well, I mean, obviously not leaving my house right now, but it will be nice in the future. So it says the full size price is $33.50, and Elizabeth Siegel, who is the Deputy Beauty Director, said that the sunscreen does everything it should, blends in all skin tones, offers broad spectrum protection, and then some. Usually the best thing you can say about the feel and look of a sunscreen is that it's not greasy, but this is a rare formula that actually makes my skin noticeably softer and smoother after I put it on. This is even more impressive considering that it is a mineral formula with zinc and titanium dioxide, perfect for me as a nursing mom. I don't have any comment about being a nursing mom, but I would say that this does not leave a white cast on my skin tone, which is something I'm totally excited about, especially since it is a mineral-based sunscreen. It also, as she mentioned, does not feel greasy, which is super great as well. Okay, so the next item I see here from watching other people's videos, it's not in the booklet, so what I think is this is like a marketing material. I think I mentioned it when I was introducing the box. but sometimes companies I think just throw it in here because they know they can reach a large audience of consumers. And this is a dry conditioner with instant moisture. It conditions dry hair to control frizz. It's by Waterless. It's paraben-free, sulfate-free, 0.98 ounces. So actually I never knew that a dry conditioner existed. Like I knew dry shampoo existed, but I didn't know dry conditioner existed. So this is something very interesting to me. So I don't know if I will actually get that much use out of it just because I don't have frizzy hair. My hair is like very flat. But I do know friends who enjoy using dry shampoo and may actually benefit from having a conditioner like this to control frizzy hair. There's no information here, but if you want, you can go to waterlesshaircare.com. So again, I think that this is just a bonus item that sometimes gets thrown into boxes just as marketing, so I don't think it goes towards the $100 value of the box. So there are 2 items left, but only one more item in the booklet, and that's to be expected. So another bonus with Allure is because it is a large company, they are able to offer great sign-up bonuses. So you'll see in a future video, but I actually received a large, I think it's called a Megabundle, for signing on as an annual member. But on top of that, if you do sign up even as a monthly member, you will actually receive a bonus. So right now, actually a really great bonus. I think you get a Laura Mercier powder and like a Sisley Paris mask, which is super great. But when I signed up, I received something else, and I'll unbox that last just because it's no longer available as your sign up bonus. So the last item that everyone receives is a sheet mask. So this sheet mask is kind of like, I think it's like an inside joke for all of the Allure Beauty Box members, because it seems like you always get a sheet mask in every box, which is super exciting to me because I actually haven't done a sheet mask in a while. So this one I received is the Soothing Aloe by Glam Up. It's a sheet mask. So it looks like you can buy 10 of them for $14.20. It looks like there were 2 options. So the other option was the Revitalizing Sake here. So it looks like that is also, oh, it's actually cheaper. So the Revitalizing Sake is $9.98 for 10. So if you receive the other one, let me know what you think of it, because maybe I'll use that coupon code to purchase the set for 20% off, because that seems like a really great deal for me. Because when I did the calculation just off the top of my head, $1.42 per sheet mask seems like pretty good. Just because I know what I pay for my Innisfree ones. So I typically buy Innisfree because of my face shape and size. I usually buy them when they're like 10 plus 10 or 5 plus 5 or something like that. So what the editor, Gabriella Thorne, who is an editorial assistant, says, K-Beauty brand Glam Up's Soothing Aloe sheet mask is made specifically for dry skin. It is infused with aloe leaf extract and allantoin, a popular K-Beauty ingredient, both of which hydrate and soothe. This mask has a cooling feeling that immediately relaxes me and feels like heaven. Even better, about 30 minutes later, my skin is dewy and refreshed. So I'm definitely very interested in trying this out, especially because we're going into the winter months, so my skin does get a little bit drier. 30 minutes seems very long. Oh, but it does say apply after cleansing, leave on for 20 to 30 minutes before removing. So one thing I would like to point out is when I was younger, I kind of was like, oh, it won't matter if I like leave it on too long. It actually does matter. So if you're using a hydrating mask like this, make sure you do pull it off when it says to pull it off, because it could actually be over drying for your skin because it'll pull out the moisture after you hit a certain level. So do not sleep in your face mask. I've learned that the hard way. Okay, so the last item, as I alluded to, is that bonus item for becoming a new member. So again, even if I would have signed up as a monthly member, I would have received this item. So it is packaged here, and it is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Moonchild Glow Kit. Wow, that looks crazy on camera. I think it's a highlighting palette. Let me pull it open. I will try to call in my inner beauty guru to show you this. So it is 6 different colors. Sorry about the glare, probably should have pulled off that screen. So it looks like the colors are Blue Ice Star, Purple Horseshoe, Pink Heart, Lucky Clover, and Blue Moon. So when I'm saying that out loud, it definitely sounds like Lucky Charms. So I'm definitely excited to try this out. I've been using the same highlighter palette. It's not even a palette, it's just a highlighter for like 2 years now. I think I made the wrong decision color-wise, so it's just been kind of a struggle to use all of it, and I also don't want to purchase a new one because it's like I already have a product that works fine. It's just not super great. So I'm very excited to try this out because honestly, I don't think I would have purchased this with my own money because I think Anastasia Beverly Hills is a little bit fancy for me, especially as a non-makeup wearer. I think a lot of people really do like their products, so I'm definitely excited to try this out to see if it will work for my skin. So overall, I think I did get a really great value for my money this month. So again, I'm going to use $13.75 because that's what it breaks down to in making my decision. So I think I will definitely get more than that value out of the items that I received, especially with this Anastasia Beverly Hills palette. If I do end up liking this product, it's definitely going to pay for like at least 2 months of my subscription. So then looking at the other items in the box, and these are things that everyone received, I received the Soothing Aloe Sheet Mask, the Elemis Pro Collagen Cleansing Balm, the La Roche-Posay 50 SPF Liquid Sunscreen, the Wander Beauty Unlashed Volume and Curl Mascara, this NYX Professional Brush. I know my sister is going to really enjoy testing out this purple eyeliner, and I will for sure pass along this dry conditioner to somebody else who will get use out of it. So overall, what do you think about my box? Do you think I got a great value for my $13.75? So I hope this was interesting and informative for you because those are the 2 goals of my channel. I'm also very interested in just having fun, and this is kind of fun for me. But if you are interested in similar content in the future, feel free to subscribe or don't. I hate it when people tell you to subscribe. Like, obviously I will do that if I wanted to. And then if you have any constructive feedback, feel free to leave it below or email me or DM me on Instagram. All my information is in the description or in the about section of this page. And I hope to see you again in the future. Have a great day and enjoy the rest of your week. Bye.